Well, 1:30 in the morning. Got the binocular core wound. That was kind of a pain. Trying to put the other pieces in there. Like I said, though, they didn't give us this stuff. They didn't give us the hookup wire. This is how much wire I actually had left over from the coils for that part. So I think I got this about 7 o'clock, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 30, 6.5 hours I've been doing this to put this together. And there's been a little break here and there in between, but not much. So I didn't put the toroids up against the board because I found that because of the way I wound them, for them to sit in between the relays, they needed to be up a little bit. So what I'll do is I'll get some hot glue, and I'm going to put it in between here just so they can't wiggle around. And I don't think that should be a problem. In fact, it's even mentioned in here. So they said, and also, if you're going to build one of these, install your toroids first, okay? And as you go along, put the relays in. So I did this one, and then I add that one, and then that one, and then I had to actually unsolder part of the toroid and pull it up a little bit. And so then they got easier over here. And then you use these, you wrap these on a 6mm Allen wrench, and then this one on a 4mm, and that one's a different wire. And then you have this yellow wire, and you got to wrap 10 wraps around this each way. And it's kind of a pain, and it's sort of plastic coated wire. And then you get those down in there, and then you got to put just one little piece of this, and I put it in last, which kind of was difficult. So now there's still quite a bit left to do, and I still have this other kit. And I actually don't think they gave me everything in this kit either. I think there's some standoffs that you will see that will go in these corners here. They're not in here. So I might have to fabricate something. I don't know. But we'll have to see. I definitely would never do one of these again. I would never ever recommend somebody to do this build that hasn't done anything like this. Let's see what we have left in here. And so there's still some more stuff that needs to be done with the OLED. And I'm a ways away from being able to even fire it up because I need to get some wire and assemble the case. So I need hookup wire for here and the buttons, and then I take the other stuff here. So this will go on here, I guess. So I don't know why they can't just provide the extra stuff that's supposed to be on there. I don't know. Like I said, I won't do one of these again. I'm gonna be lucky if the thing even works. So I guess it's been kind of fun to do it, sort of, but if it doesn't work, I'm gonna be pissed. But you know, like, I'm not doing it, I'm not building it because I'm bored. I ordered it because, well, I kind of wanted the experience, and I wanted to save a few bucks. So there you go. Anyway, it's getting late. I'm going to try and wrap things up, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow.